VI-Quezon, and now I will be discussing about the different mixtures. In the first setup of mixture, which is the pebbles, sand, and water, I observed that the sand and pebbles both settled down and also the color of the mixture changed. This mixture is considered to be a heterogeneous mixture because the pebbles and sand were not totally dissolved in the water and you can still determine it from the solvent. This mixture is also an insoluble type, and it is considered to be a suspension because the sand and pebbles settled down. Second setup of mixture, which is the salt and water, I observed that the particles of salt were dissolved in the water. This mixture is known to be a homogeneous mixture because we can no longer differentiate the salt from the water. It is considered to be a soluble type of mixture. And lastly, it is categorized as a solution because the solute were totally dissolved in the solvent. Third setup of mixture, which is the cooking oil and water, I observed that the cooking oil only remained on top of the water. This mixture is considered to be a heterogeneous mixture because the oil is not properly mixed with the water. It is considered to be an immiscible type of mixture. Finally, this mixture is considered to be a suspension because the solute has not mixed with the solvent. The fourth setup of mixture, which is the vinegar and water, I observed that the vinegar has mixed properly with the water. This mixture is considered to be a homogeneous mixture because the vinegar particles were dissolved evenly in the water. This mixture is a miscible type of mixture. And lastly, this mixture is considered to be a solution since the vinegar was dissolved in the water and now inseparable. Lastly, in the fifth setup of mixture, which is the milk powder and water, I observed that only some particles of milk were dissolved and still there are smaller particles that were visible, especially in applying Tyndall effect. This mixture is considered to be a heterogeneous mixture because not all particles of the milk were dissolved. This mixture is considered to be a soluble mixture. Last, this mixture is considered to be a colloid because it may only seem to be dissolved but in reality it is not. The first technique is decantation, wherein you use a spoon to scoop the cooking oil from the water. The second technique, we have sieving, wherein we use a strainer to separate the sand pebbles from the water. So that's it for this video. I hope that you learned something from me. See you next time. Bye-bye!